Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Peppermint Planner. And this is thank you so much for the love and support. I love that. And then she gave me my little bunny with my name on it again. Okay, this was one of the freebies I got. It says you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and love more than you know. With quarter boxes, collect your bunny butts, Netflix binge, happy mail movie night, and coffee night. Got that freebie. And then the hugs and kisses freebie. Some bunny loves you. And then I got this, look, how cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So cute. And then this freebie. It says hello beautiful. I love her. I love her cards. And then this was May 31st freebie. It says soak up the sun and relax. You deserve to be happy. So here's your full box and then some half boxes. I ordered again her weather icons because I just had to have them. They're the cutest little thing. And there's the smaller version. And then here's a little bit bigger version. Are those not adorable? Look how cute. I like to use those in my hobo. And speaking of hobo, here is the hobo that I got. It's called Jelly Bee Pool Time. It's a weekly kit, hand drawn, and it was an a la carte. So here's your days of the week. Look at that. How cute is that? That is so cute. And Saturday and Sunday is different from Monday through Friday. That is adorable. Here are your what would be your half boxes, I'm assuming. Your check boxes right here. They're 3 little beach balls. So stinking cute. Here are your full boxes. Fun in the sun. She gives you 3 different versions of washi, quarter boxes, and scallop boxes. And then the second page is your habits. I'm going to just put this one down here. Your habit tracker, grown-up crap, to do, groceries to buy, work, little things next week, pay the bills, and clean. Weather icons here. She gives you all of those. And then a post-it note. It says enjoy the little things. Then a sidebar habit tracker from Monday through Sunday. Your weather trackers, high and low, so that you can put those in there. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, and 2 that you could fill in. TV, your food icons, and then I'm going to read you the scripts for this one. It says day off, payday, and trash. Movie night, coffee first, $2 Tuesday, post spread, family time, laundry, pay bills, game night, grocery shop, workout, happy birthday, date night, eat out, and me time. That is a lot that you get in a hobo kit, y'all. That is amazing, amazing. And then the last thing I ordered was pain level for my hobo because that is my wellness planner, and these are the perfect size to put in there. So absolutely love these. Love the colors. All right, guys, that's what I got from Peppermint Planner. Go check her out. She's pretty awesome. I love getting my stuff from her. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. And check me out on PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so you know when my hauls go up, my plan with me's go up, and any sales. All right, hope to catch you back here real soon. Bye-bye.